Choosing a major is an important decision that can shape your academic and professional journey. It can be daunting for many students as it requires careful consideration of various factors. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some helpful tips to make a more informed choice. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Tip number 1. Identify your interests and passions. Think about the subjects you enjoy learning about and the activities that you are passionate about. Consider what you would love to do for the rest of your life. Tip number 2. Evaluate your skills and strengths. Identify the areas in which you excel and consider majors that can utilize these skills. Assessing your strengths and weaknesses can help you choose a major that you will excel in and enjoy. Tip number 3. Research potential careers. Investigate the job market and the potential careers associated with different majors. This can help you understand what opportunities are available after graduation and what skills and education are required for those careers. Tip number 4. Talk to academic advisors and professors. Seek guidance from academic advisors and professors in the fields you are considering. They can provide valuable insights into the coursework, skills required, and potential career paths. Tip number 5. Consider the practical aspects. Think about the cost, location, and time commitment of the major you are considering. This can help you make a more informed decision about the feasibility of pursuing a particular major. Tip number 6. Be open to change. Keep in mind that your major does not have to dictate your career path. Many students end up pursuing careers that are not directly related to their major. Be open to changing your major or career path if you discover new interests or opportunities. Remember, choosing a major is a personal decision that should be based on your interests, strengths, and goals. With careful consideration and research, you can choose a major that sets you up for a successful and fulfilling career. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.